Are you looking for a beautiful pool home right here in Riverview? Take a look at this one. This beautiful pool home has had many updates in the last couple of years and is ready for new people. Let's go take a tour of it with amazing adoptable Olive.
Hi, I'm Olive. This home is fabulous. From the many spaces for the humans to be in and enjoy, I can go to any of them easily to visit with whatever human I want to. Up by the front door is an office and the fancy dining room where the humans feed their human friends when they come to visit. From the big living room, I can watch the humans make their food and mine in the kitchen. And they can watch the big electronic thing, or me if they think I might be getting into anything. The big bedroom is over here with its own bathroom, and there's one other bedroom and a laundry room down here, where they wash my beds and stuff. This hallway goes to the garage where the people come in from outside and stuff. There are a couple more bedrooms over this way, with their own shared bathroom and entry to the pool. The pool is so great, I like to lay here with you, or even get into the pool and swim with you. And then check out this backyard. There is so much room for everything, from a garden to a swing set to just space to play ball. There is even still space to store your boat or RV. I'm a great boat buddy, so I'd love that. If you like this house and want to see it for yourself, give Kaitlyn a call.
Thank you so much for that great tour, Olive. For more information on adoptable pets available at Animal Lovers Dream Rescue, just like Olive, check out the link below. And as always, make sure to subscribe to this channel for everything Tampa for you and your fur babies. And check out more home tours just like this right here.